Welcome back to my channel. Traveling independently is a truly rewarding experience, and in this video, we're thrilled to share how we planned and prepared for our winter holiday adventure to Yunnan, China. From December 20th, 2024, to January 1st, 2025, we embarked on a journey that we planned entirely by ourselves. No tour agents, no preset packages, just the freedom to explore and create our own schedule. This period is considered at low peak season. In this first episode, we will guide you through the preparation process, offering tips for planning a self-guided trip and making the most of a winter holiday.
Preparation is key to a successful independent trip. Researching the destinations was our first step. Understanding what each place offers, from cultural experiences to outdoor activities, helped us craft a well-balanced itinerary. Booking accommodations in advance ensured we found comfortable places to stay, especially important during the colder months. The most important preparation before going to Yunnan is making sure you are able to perform payment. Since e-wallets are a must in China, you will need to buy yourself a SIM card for mobile data with VPN to enable you to connect with your bank in Malaysia. You also need to install the Alipay app and link it to a Wise card. The advantage of Alipay is that it allows access to services like Didi for convenient transportation.
Next, you will need to pack essential winter clothing, such as thermal wear, gloves, and disposable underwear in case you don't get to wash your clothes, as winter in China can be extremely cold. Don't forget to bring heat packs to keep critical parts of your body warm and comfortable during the chilly weather. Packing thoughtfully will ensure you stay comfortable and enjoy your trip to the fullest. Don't forget to pack personal care items like sunblock, lip balm, and lotions for skin protection, as the winter in China can be very dry and cold.
And lastly, if you are traveling to a high-altitude area like Shangri-La, make sure to take high-altitude medication a few days before your trip. There you have it, these are the basic preparations before your trip to Yunnan, China, during the winter season.
One of the biggest advantages of traveling independently is the ability to control your itinerary. We decided where to go, how long to stay, and what to do, ensuring every moment aligned with what we truly wanted. This is just the beginning of our journey. In upcoming episodes, we'll take you along as we explore new places, immerse ourselves in local culture, and share every memorable moment. If you're planning your own self-guided trip, we hope this guide inspires and helps you prepare for an unforgettable adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join us for the next chapter of our journey. Here's to crafting your own adventure and making memories that last a lifetime.